How to remove video background without green screen. That's what we'll be talking about today. First, please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online, all kind of really cool stuff. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I'm just gonna get right into this video today. It's a very quick video, very quick way to show you here because this is a very fast way to remove background screens or whatever. Anyway, so this is a pretty cool service that you can use, and let's just take a look at it right now. All right, so remove video background 100% automatically and free. So basically, you just go to this site here. Goodbye green screen, no green screen or green screen. If I could talk, 100% automatically without a single click. Amazing accuracy here. Look at this, bam, bam, bam. Check this one out too. Look at that, pretty cool indeed. I'm gonna upload one here in a second. There is a pro version coming soon as well, so you can check that out. You get actually put your email address in, and then they'll give you some free credits and stuff for the pro version. And there's no watermarks even on the free version. Video file download, full-length clips. Well, that's gonna be for the pro version because that's for this one here basically creates a gift for you. Now check this out. Let's upload this clip right here. All right, so I got this clip here that I'm gonna upload real quick. By the way, like and share this video. Preparing upload. It takes a little. It doesn't even take that long. Well, these are short clips. So, and there you go. Check this out. All right, so pretty cool. Check this out, and then I can just download it. Now it's gonna be a clip length is limited to 5 seconds with this version here. For longer videos coming, longer versions coming soon. By the time you're watching this, it probably already will be. And I just download like this, like so. And just for fun, I'll pop it over the video here, the finished version. And there you go. Pretty cool. So, if you want to check out some more free stuff, I got a bunch of videos here. I got a playlist. I got a video. I'll pop up on the screen right about now. All kind of really cool free stuff, free courses, free products, all kind of neat stuff. I'm actually starting a new series on this channel just called Free Stuff. Episode 1 is out. Check that out. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. That is it for today, and I will talk to you soon.